What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I want to show you my number one favorite source of information regarding affiliate marketing. So as an affiliate marketer, you want to stay up to date about everything that happens in the industry. The major changes to platforms, advertisers who are going bankrupt, special deals with networks that are available, special competitions to win big prizes. You want to be in the loop at all times. So I have obviously a lot of different sources I go through on a daily basis, but at 1 p.m. my time every single day, I get an email in my mailbox, which I've been waiting for. And that's the What the F affiliate newsletter. So I've been following this newsletter, I would say for about 6 months now. I used to collect them on my own email. Now I collect them on my business email as my business has grown so much. That's not thanks to What the F, but I would say a lot of my videos are inspired, which I make on YouTube, by this newsletter as they bring me up-to-date information. So from now on, I will be quoting the What the F. I will make content about what I receive in the What the F newsletter and obviously give them a shout out. And I want you to be updated and in the loop as well, so you don't miss out on anything. I will show you the emails. They are very basic, easy to read, but contain all the information you need to excel in your affiliate marketing business. So I'm on the website right now, whatthef.co, written a little bit different than it says here. The digital marketer's number one daily briefing, be in the know in just 5 minutes. Well, I usually skim through it, see whatever is interesting. And what you can see when you go to you can opt in here, and when you go through the archive, they have maybe 25 different ones here, and they have like 12 pages. So they've been doing this for a long time. I find the information very refreshing. Obviously, these guys need to make money, so every single newsletter has a sponsored post, but even the sponsored post often contain discounts, coupon codes, which makes it even better. So I am here, as you can see, I just read before this video the latest email they send out. So it's talking about the automated ads platform for Facebook, new changes which is coming up. If you live in the US, you probably already know, blah, 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 blah. New announcements, new changes. Then it's a little bit about e-commerce, and the nice thing is it's marked. So e-commerce, I just read through very quickly if it's interesting for me, but I don't do that much in e-commerce, so I just move through. Then about Google, so I'm always interested to see what Google is up to. Go down, go down, go down. And as you can see, it's quite long, right? So if they say it takes 5 minutes and it takes me 2 minutes, it's just because I skip large pieces. For instance, tools. If this is about lead gen on LinkedIn, I'm not going to read it because that's not something I do. But Instagram, I always like to stay up to date on Instagram because we run a lot of paid traffic in my business on Instagram. And then they have these are the main topics. And at the end, they have a little bit of a chat. Usually a little bit of a funny story. So this is about a company buying services from web design. So changes of the website, 32 million, and it ends in a disaster. It is really something. But what I recommend you to do, if you want, I'm not commanding you to do it, but I would say this is a good source of information. Anything which has happened lately, the changes in Facebook ads, the changes in propeller ads policies, a big meetup, Snapchat on coverage, Snapchat Black Hat, all the information is provided here. So what they do is they make your life a lot easier. From maybe 50 different traffic sources, they put it all together, the most important things, and deliver it to you straight into your inbox. Is this the only information you should read? No. Is this one of the best quality sources of information? Yes. So I will leave a link in the description down below. If you are a regular reader of the What the F newsletter, let me know in the comments below, and we might be able to have a chat about this. As I said, I will be using this newsletter in my videos moving forward because I am very, very pleased with the quality they deliver day in, day out. So that was everything for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.